BTT holder, Bittorrent holder, should I buy? And this time, should my friend, this time is good for investment, especially this video I will make for all holder, for all new holder, because if you can say my friend, BTT is very badly falls down from last 1 month. So therefore the holder decide to, I think this is very bad coin, and absolutely we need to this is very garbage coin, we need to my friends sell it, and absolutely don't invest more. But remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. I do a technical analysis, my brother. I predicate this coin and I will see the update of this coin, and absolutely after that, my friend, I will give you advice to this coin is good for investment and this month, my brother, or not. So let's get started this brand video, my friend. You can see the last 1 day chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely in the positive, so it's me to there in the profit in the current time. So you know why they are in the profit? Absolutely, after a fail, every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. So if we see the last 3 months chart, then we understand, my brother, to why they fails down in the last month, and there is a chance to they will move upward or not. So after a jump they fails down, it's 100% possible, my friends, to after a jump they fails down. Absolutely a crypto market, every coin, my friends, moving at this time to after a very big jump they take a absolutely very bad fails. So it's 100%, my friends, right to after this jump you can see here they fails down, and absolutely remember to after this fail they take a very huge jump, and I already show the last 1 day chart, and if you remember, my brother, so it's me to in the current time they moving upward, and the last 2 days, my friend, and this month, my brother, especially in the June, they starting moving upwards. So it's definitely sure, my brother, to after a very bad falls they take a very huge jump now. So I think this coin is very good, my friend, for investment. I think this time the price is very cheap, because after a very bad falls the prices come to zero, my friends, they fails down. So it's me to the price is very cheap. So I think if you invest more, absolutely at the end of month they will give you very good profit, because I am 100% give you guarantee to they will move upward in this time. Yes, absolutely. But research personally, my friend, before investment. This is just advice video, my brother. Please try to understand. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.